Okay, now we have here our Pinoy Lola. She's preparing Pinaupong Manok. So this is how you clean Pinaupong Manok.
Arghentrock.
So ito po yung Pinaupong Manok.
Pinaupong manok.
So that's the neck. That's the neck.
Yung mahabang parang kuwan sa leeg.
You remove the neck.
Tapos, ilinisin yung lugar na gano'n.
And then you clean the inside. And this is the other end. You clean the inside.
Tapos, ito, yung gano'n. Uy.
Yeah, you have to clean that end. This is a very plump chicken.
Tapos mamaya na yung ano yung tutusukay ko.
And then we will be, yes, we will be skewering this chicken.
Pag tinusok ko na tawagin ito.
So Pinaupong Manok is actually a kind of broiled chicken.
Pwede na rin.
Oh yes, so we will be cooking this inside a big caldero, inside a big pot,
Tusukan mo
a
na
metal pot. So,
para tumalab yung.
okay, so we will be piercing the chicken. So I said skewer, so it's not exactly skewering, it's piercing.
Para tumalab yung
So that the flavor, the salt flavor will
asin at patis.
get inside the meat. So we will be adding salt to this as well as fish sauce, patis. So those are the basic flavors of Pinaupong Manok.
Konting bitchin.
Yes, and Ajinomoto,
Asin,
our secret ingredients.
asin at patis.
Just a little bit of Ajinomoto because that can
Ito.
be too much if you add a lot.
Ito medyo ano kasi para tumalab yung
So that's how you
patis at asin at bitchin.
impart flavor into the meat of the chicken. So that's the sound of chicken being stabbed.
Para maluto yung loob. Yung laman.
Okay. Tenderizing chicken. Stab it with an ice pick.
Oo. Mamaya naman yung ano, lalagyan pa ng tanglad dito.
Okay. And tanglad. Tanglad is what is tanglad in English? Lemongrass. Tanglad. We will be adding lemongrass into that cavity.
Mamaya paglalagyan ng tanglad.
Okay.
Sa kabila pa.
Alright. So you got that? So that's tanglad, salt, fish sauce,
Paglalagyan muna.
Ajinomoto. Okay. So we will let it sit here for a while.
Patitiktikan muna.
That's why it's called Pinaupong Manok, because we let it sit. And then we also let it sit while it cooks inside the pot. So coming up next, we will be placing the chicken into the pot. Okay, so we have our tanglad. So I was thinking what this was called in English, but now I remember, or we remember. It's lemongrass. So this is used for cooking, and today we will be, Pinoy Lola will be using it to cook Pinaupong Manok. We will be cutting it here, and we will be using this part. Actually, if you can plant this, this will grow.
Dito ito na itanim ah.
This will grow.
Ano, yugat.
Okay. I can smell the lemongrass.
Tapos,
Okay, so we will be folding it like this,
okay.
rolling it and tying it into a knot, small knot. So that will go into the cavity of the chicken.
Papaloob sa loob ng tiyan.
Yes, lemongrass. Can already smell it.
Pinasok na lang sa akin.
This is lemongrass. It's actually quite scratchy because it's got stiff hairs. Lemongrass. Smells very lemony. This will add a unique flavor to the chicken. Lemongrass flavor. It's like lemon chicken. Right, so this is the pot that we will be using for the chicken. And before you place the chicken inside, use 2 layers of tin foil. No, that's aluminum foil.
Tapos, putasin eh.
And then we will be adding a layer of salt on top of those
Tapos,
sheets. Spread the salt.
hindi masira yung ano. Pero hindi naman masira.
Yes. Pat it down so it's evenly distributed on the aluminum foil.
Okay. Tapos ito.
And we will add that platform. So that's like a steaming platform used for dumplings. So that's a platform for the chicken. So the salt goes under there, so it will not be in direct contact with the chicken. Now that's the chicken.
Okay. Teka, palong punit. Bakit nasabi na itong tinimplahan ng ano? Pero kailangan makakita yung pagtimpla eh. Ano? Ito na. Kaingi pang asin. Tagalin mo.
Kulang pa yan?
O, yun dito sa ano eh.
So this is how you will assault the chicken. Assault.
Patis.
So this is fish oil. Just lather it onto the chicken like a lotion.
Ay, besin na.
And that's salt. So that's salt. Yeah. Bathing the chicken in salt. It's like a salt bath.
Asin at patis. Tapos,
And that's
bitchin.
Ajinomoto. That will give the umami flavor. So you don't add pepper anymore, Pinay Lola. Paminta wala na.
Yung iba naglalagay.
Yung iba naglalagay.
Okay, if you want to add pepper, you can add pepper. You can add black pepper or powdered pepper. I personally prefer pepper to be added.
May betsin na. Konti lang.
Okay, we're cooking breakfast over here. Hot dogs and eggs. Yeah, that's washing the chicken with the salt and the fish
Tapos, yung tanlad ko.
fish sauce. And the tanglad will go in there. Wash it first. There, into the cavity of the chicken.
Okay, tapos, paupuin na natin siya.
Okay, so this is the part where we let the chicken sit. That's why it's called Pinaupong Manok, because upo in Filipino means sit. So it will be sitting there while it cooks.
Uupo na siya.
There. Yeah, the sitting chicken
Upo siya sa asin.
Uupo siya sa asin.
on top of that salt.
Okay, yun na.
Okay.
Tapos, takpan na. Sasalang na.
So we will be covering this and then we will be cooking this on top of a flame for how long?
Hantay na lang maluto.
Oh my God.
for an hour. So this will cook for
Mamaya
an hour.
papakita ko pa rin yun.
Okay, we will be showing that to you next. This is the chicken now cooking. They're cooking nicely. So it will be cooking for an hour. Okay, the chicken is cooked. Let's see. Okay, let's take a peek. Look at that. So this is the appearance of the Pinaupong Manok once it's cooked. So we will be serving this later. Okay, this is our
Para malaman
Pinaupong
luto na,
chicken.
yung ice kahit ano, duduroy ng, ayun na.
It's
Ayun.
soft if it's cooked.
Oo. Pag,
It will just
pag gano'n
go
na,
through.
na natusok na, luto na yun.
So that's how you know if the Pinaupong Manok is cooked. Skewer it. If it goes through, it's cooked. Been cooking for an hour.
Okay na.
It's okay.
Oh, handa sa berde nung apo ko. Na ano, Pinaupong manok.
So this is the Pinaupong Manok, the final version. It's like white chicken. It's like Singapore white chicken.
Matanda ka na ngayon.
So this is where we cooked it. The salt at the bottom.
Salamat niyo, Lord. Si Baby.
Sorry, man.
Yung sausawan ng Pinaupong Manok. May garlic, soy sauce, pampano.
Pampano.
Parrot fish yun, di ba?
Pampano.
Kare-kare. And this is pampano. Ano masasabi mo sa Pinaupong Manok ni Pinoy Lola? Yun lang.
Those were the days. You know, history ng Pinaupong
Ay, tata.
manok ni Pinaupong chicken ni Lola. History nito, history nito, meron na akong classmate way back elementary.
Elementary.
May baon siya nito. So, nung kumakain siya, laway na laway ako kasi sarap na sarap siya. Hinap na siya. Tapos, nung tinanong ko siya, paano niluluto yan?
Kasi yung pala galing recipe.
Tinuro niya. Ganyan. So, nung sinabi niya yung paano niluluto, sinabi ko kay Lola.
Pinoy Lola.
Kay Pinoy Lola. Which is
Kinanay ko. Saranay ko.
Which is my nanay.
Okay.
So, sabi ko, Nay, ang sarap ng ganitong luto. Magluto ka lang ko lang. So, yun na.
Ayun na.
Yun na yung naging simula nun. Kung bakit naging recipe na rin namin ang Pinaupong Manok.
Sa asin.
Sa asin.
Sa asin. So, meron palang hindi sa asin.
Yung asin ang naglalaban doon sa parang ano yun. Hindi basta kaldero ha. Kasi masusunog yung puwit ng kaldero. Na doon sa asin siya, yung parang nagkukuhan.
Yung asin ang nagpapalaso talaga sa
Papalasa.
kanya.
Yung asin.
Asin lang.
Kulob eh.
So, yung the rest, si Lola Pinoy Lola na ang gumawa. Kasi bata pa ako nun, elementary pa lang ako nun, hindi naman ako marunong magluto. Kasi sinabi lang nung kaibigan ko kung paano niluluto nung nanay niya.
Ayun. Pala yung story.
So, sinabi ko kay nanay, kay Pinoy Lola, yun. Kaya ito, ang sarap.
Ayan yun.
Na-miss ko. Ha? Try nyo din. Busy ako.
Busy pagkain.
Meron para dyan na
Napakatipid lang. Ang sarap lang is chicken,
Asin.
Asin.
Bechin.
Bechin.
Patis.
Patis.
Patis. In-improvise yata ngayon ni Pinoy Lola, nilagyan niya ng tanglad. Sa
Ah,
loob.
extra pala yun.
Pero still, masarap pa rin siya. Tapos, yung iba, kasi ako, I can eat na ganito lang, na walang sausawan. So, yung masarap na sausawan dito is bawang na tinadkad, tsaka toyo.
Ay, wala nga lang tayo nun. Pero pwede din itong bawang. Ano pala, oh. Meron pala doon.
Kaya ako, I enjoy eating like this lang.
Di ba parang Singapore chicken yan?
Parang yung Hayanese, parang ganun yung
Ah, yung
ibang
white
version
chicken.
nila, oh.
White chicken.
Yung Hayanese.
arghentrock,
Air fry me, air fry. Patama yun.
Sama.